Hey guys, Andrew Fiery here with MarineMax Baltimore, checking out our brand new 2021 Scout 235 Dorado. Starting back here on the swim platform, we're going to have a Mercury 250 horsepower outboard motor on the back of this thing. It is a really nice pairing with this boat, really gets the boat up on plane. Notice we have sea decking on the swim platform, really creates a nice feel on your feet when you're in and out of the water. Transom door on the starboard side brings us into our cockpit with wraparound seating, including 2 flip-out seats here that really create a nice seating area when wrapped around. This seat here, back and forth, the way it creates space from the facing forward to hanging out in the aft part of the boat. Wet bar with a nice Yeti cooler underneath, great feature to have while you're out in the water. Moving up, we're going to have 2 Helm chairs here. Nice upholstery here to be able to really accommodate the full look of the boat. Up here where the action happens, we're going to have a few different things. We're going to have a nice fusion head unit here, a Mercury vessel view to screen to display all of our engine management, GPS Garmin screen, digital shift and throttle, and a nice feature to have the remote from Scout that controls all of your batteries when you're walking down to the boat at the dock. Moving up towards the bow of the boat, we're going to have a nice head underneath, really spacious, nice area to get in and out of to be able to use when you're out in the water. And finally, a nice, comfortable bow seating area that really accommodates you being able to sit back, relax, kick your legs up, and enjoy the run on the water. My name's Andrew Fiery, checking out our 2021 Scout 235 Dorado. Give us a call, come on down, we'd love to show you the boat.